Classic trucks have taken the automotive world by storm with their stunning transformations. Recently, one vintage Ford F-150 was modified to include a hybrid engine, improving both fuel efficiency and performance. Imagine turning an old workhorse into a sleek off-roader. Additionally, some enthusiasts have incorporated smart technology, like adaptive cruise control and advanced sound systems, making these classics fit for the modern age. These modifications not only preserve their nostalgic value, but also redefine their capabilities in today's market.